Okay, let's do a quick visual condition report. Now we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, gashes, any cosmetic imperfections. Starting with the front right wheel, there is a chip right there. Little imperfection on that spoke. A little chip here. And you got the Toyo R888R tires. Now here on the front right fender, there's a really faint scuff right there. It looks like something that could probably polish out. The rest of this fender looks amazing. The A-pillar looks good. Here on the side mirror, we have a really small chip there. Then right here we have a small chip. The rest of that quarter panel looks good. I don't see any curb rash on these wheels. Looks really good. All right, looking at the front end here. The headlights look good. Got a few tiny scuffs there. That one barely catches my nail. I see a rock chip right here. And you're gonna have a couple rock impacts every once in a while where they didn't actually chip the paint, just put like a little indentation. See a rock chip here. I do see a couple scuffs right there. It's really hard to see with this white paint. And then looking at these stripes, these are painted on. They look really good. I'm not seeing any other flaws really that stand out here on the hood. Now when we get down low, looking under here, I see a little scuff there, a little scuff here, but otherwise that's pretty clean. Overall, that all looks really good. I'm not seeing really any curb rash here on that bumper. That lower side looks really, really nice. Then looking at the engine bay, all of this looks absolutely perfect. This thing is very, very clean. You can see all the carbon under the hood here. Okay, now let's look at the left side here. I see a really faint scuff right there. It's just on the surface of the paint, it looks like. All of that looks perfect. The rest of this looks amazing. Looking at this wheel, I don't see any curb rash, and there's really no flaws that are standing out to me. That door looks good. That lower rocker looks good. Side mirror looks amazing. A-pillar's clean. This car is absolutely gorgeous. I don't see any curb rash on this wheel. Like I said, Toyo R888Rs on all four wheels. Okay, looking at the back here. That taillight looks perfect. And right here we have a crack on that emblem and a small one there. That deck lid looks good. That taillight looks amazing. This thing is just super clean. There's really not much to pick apart back here. All of that looks amazing. Then here in the trunk, all of that carpet looks perfect. And then you can see the exposed carbon here. Looks amazing. All right, looking at the interior, it's a non-smoker and this thing looks brand new. I'm telling you, this thing is a time capsule. I know it's not gonna show in video like it would in person, but everything has that nice matte finish to it. It all looks perfect and brand new. I mean, look at that bolster. Looks absolutely perfect. I mean, you have a couple tiny little scuffs here, but other than that, that seat looks amazing. Now, when you have your seat belt, it does rub on this little edge here when you feed it through. I imagine some of that will wipe off, but besides that, this thing is absolutely perfect. Steering wheel has that nice matte finish to it. I mean, it smells brand new in here. If you want a near perfect 2014 Viper that looks like it came off the showroom floor, this is definitely the one. Then looking at the passenger door panel, looks absolutely perfect. Kick plate area looks amazing. I mean, this side just looks brand new as well. I don't see any flaws really on this seat. Now, when we get up here where the seat belt comes into this slot, it has transferred a little bit of black there. I imagine that could be cleaned up and wiped off. Everything else, though, looks brand new. Carpets are perfect. Dash is amazing. I mean, this is definitely a time capsule of a car inside and out.